Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Once your system is up to date, you can install LibreCAD with the following command. Once the installation is finished, you can run it from the main menu. You need to look it by the search menu or by icon. LibreCAD will be launched as shown. Now you can start to work with it. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.